Hi guys, today we are going to unbox BlitzWolf BW-HL1 smartwatch. So we will start this unboxing. This we got from AliExpress, which is around 2000 rupees, but I got at 1200. So in the box it is mentioned as BW-HL1 smartwatch, Bluetooth version 5.0, charging working time 7 to 10 days and charging time 2 hours, battery 180 mAh and weight 49 grams, and the specifications are not mentioned in the on the box. So let's open this and see what we have in the box. So we have a watch here in the top. Let's see. So this is the watch we got. So which is the build quality is very good here. When comes to physical overview, here at the bottom we have charging pins, and we have heart rate sensor, and here the model is mentioned as BW-HL1. This is made in China. So we have a strap here, and let's see, we will keep this aside, and let's see what is inside the box. And we have a box here, a small box here. Inside of this, I hope we will have charging cable. See here, one strap is there. This is detachable one, we can easily detach it, and we can put it easily, and we have a charging cable, uh, that is, we have two magnetic pins we can attach to, we can attach here to charge, and we what else we have, user manual, BW-HL1. So and we have this information in English, French, German, Italian, Spanish, and Japanese. Multiple languages are there, and we have instructions here how we can use this. So we have app for this one. So we have a lot of information here. You can go through this and set up this. We will set up this for watch later, and we have a smiley card, so nothing else inside. So let's first connect this one, and we will set up this first. Before attaching the straps, we will do set up the app for this. So I'm trying to switch on this one. So it is saying please charge because before using the smartwatch. So let's see if we have any like if we have charging in this one. So guys, we kept it for charging for some time. So now let's see the features. Before that, we have to install one app in our phone, that is DA Fit. So go to Play Store and type DA Fit. So looks like network is not there. Just wait for 1 minute. So let's. So guys, we have one app, DA Fit. So search in the Play Store, search for DA Fit. After that, click install. It is downloading. We will see after it gets installed. So after install open, just I am filling my details. So but here I have to select. So weight, height, consent, weight. Okay, click OK. Allow access to photos, media, and files on device. Hello, device location. Hello. So here is the interface we have. So we have steps and sleep monitoring on the outdoor. So before that we have to add our watch to this. So let's click on add. So we have it is now connected with our smartwatch. So we have we can change watch faces here. So here you can see the watch face change. So we have three watch faces. So now we can set up this one. Different watch faces we can set, and we can set notifications for different applications. So suppose we have a phone call option and messages. We can WhatsApp. We can, so we can set up for different apps. We can also, we have option for setup adding the alarm, and shutter. We can remote shutter. We can use this to remote shutter. So now here if you can see this one, I can take photos from this one. If you long press this one, it will take the picture. So this one, and we have my profile, this one already set up, and so we can set up our goal, daily goal. So here it will analyze sleep data, heart monitoring data, and BP, blood oxygen. It will detect running as well, running along with the GPS we have. So let's see, now let's see the watch interface. Here we have one button here. This is the home. This is not the full touch screen. So it will show steps, distance, and calories we burn, and sleep monitoring, and heart rate. So if we long press this one, it will measure the heart rate. Since I have not got this watch, it won't be able to detect heart rate and stuff. So after checking everything, I will give you more review on this one, how it is working. So training, in the training we have a walking, running, cycling, skipping. We have badminton, basketball, football, and swimming. So we have a lot of options, and it can measure BP and oxygen percentage, weather. We can it can show, see, uh, it will show the our message content. So the notifications content it will show. So I can so one more thing, we have to, we can control our music player here. We either we can pass, or we can do next song, we can forward to next song. In the others we have more options like alarm. We can put it in silent. We can reset the hub, and we can have option of power, and we can increase the brightness. So this is our unboxing and initial impressions, guys. So see you in the next video. Please subscribe to, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.